Want to learn how to make your own foil prints using Canva? Then keep on watching. Hey y'all, Victoria Cherie here with Pretty Party and Crafty, and we're going to jump right into how you can create full color prints with foil accents. So we'll be doing this inside of Canva, so make sure you have Canva open and you're going to click on custom size. Whatever size you're printing on, that's what you want to change it to. So units is set to pixels. We want to change that to inches, and I'll be printing on 8.5 by 11. It automatically populated for me. If you're printing on a different size, you can enter that here, and then we're going to create new design. All right, so the first thing we want to do is bring in our backgrounds and our graphics, and you can do that by going to the left side panel and clicking on elements to use the elements already within Canva. If you want to upload your own graphics, just click on uploads to bring that in. So I'm just going to use the elements that's inside of Canva already. So I just started searching for a galaxy background until I found one that I liked. All right, so that's going to be my full color background. Now, I also want to add a foil effect. So I'm going to go to graphics and I'm going to search for Scorpio. Now, when you're searching for a graphic to foil, make sure it's a single color. Keep it simple. You could do 2 and 3 colors, but that's more advanced. We're keeping it simple with 1 color. All right, so what I want to do is I want to create 2 prints. So the first print is going to be me printing on my inkjet printer, and then the second print is going to be me printing on my laser printer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this page. And I'm going to change this page name to, I'm going to call it inkjet. You don't have to, but this is just for me. And then I'm going to call this laser. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate it just one more time so I can see what the final is going to look like. So for the inkjet page, you only want to show what you'll be printing using your inkjet printer. This is what is not being foiled. So I'm not foiling the background, so that's the only thing that I want to show on this first page. So I'm going to delete that. On the second page, what we're printing on our laser printer. So after you print the first page, you're going to take that same page and you're going to print it on your laser printer. So we want to only show what's going to be printed on our laser. Since we already are printing the background on the inkjet, I'm going to delete that. All right, so looking at this, I actually want this to be a solid black. So with this selected, I am going to go to Edit. I'm going to go to Adjust. And the brightness, because I don't know if you can see that, but it kind of has a gold effect and it kind of lightens up here. I want this to be solid black. So I'm going to go to brightness and I'm going to bring that all the way down on there. Bring that all the way up. Bring whites all the way down. Okay, so again, I brought brightness all the way down. Brought whites all the way down. Brought blacks all the way up. So now we are going to print. Now again, it still may look like this if I use the gold. I haven't figured out what I'm going to use yet. So at this point, I am going to go to Share, Download. I want to download this as a PDF print, flat PDF, download. All right, I'm going to double click on that to open it. All right, so to print, I'm going to hit the print icon. And I'm only going to print page 1. Actual size is selected. Make sure you select your printer, and I'm going to go to Properties. Paper source, that's where you're putting your paper, letter. For this one, I'm going to do borderless, and you can have that on minimum or medium. I'm going to hit OK. Now, if you're not doing borderless, please do not select it. So, for example, if you're doing treat wrappers and you're printing multiples per page, do not select borderless. All right, paper type, I'm printing this on presentation paper matte. And then I'm going to go to More Options, Color Correction, Custom, Advanced. Color controls, I changed this color mode to Adobe RGB and I'll leave the gamma at 2.2. I want to hit OK. I'm going to hit OK again, and then I'm going to go ahead and print. So this is what the first page looks like. We printed this on our inkjet printer, and this is the 96-pound mat. Now we're going to print page 2 on our laser printer. All right, now we're going to just scroll down, and this is what we're working with, page 2. So we're going to do the same thing. We are going to go to the print icon. For pages to print, we're going to click on pages, and now we're going to select page 2. Okay. Make sure actual size is selected because laser printers, they do not print borderless, so just keep that in mind. Okay, printer, you're going to select your laser printer. So, where is my printer at? First, a link. I'm going to go to properties. Here I'm just choosing my printer tray because it already has the correct paper settings. Once I do that, I am going to change the print quality to enhanced, and then I'm going to just put in the same cardstock. This is what it looks like once you have the laser layer printed. Don't worry if you can't hardly see it because remember we're going to foil it. So I was debating on which color foil to use and I opted for my rainbow color. So what you're going to do is just roll out enough just to cover the laser printed area. So even though the full background isn't covered, don't worry about it. You just want to make sure that the laser portion is covered. I'm using this plastic pouch carrier. If you don't have one, just use regular computer paper. My laminator is going to be the mink and I have this on setting 4, but you can use a regular laminator. I love the sound of peeling foil. Anyway, this came out absolutely amazing. I'm going to be foiling everything. If you learned something new, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like and follow for more. Later, y'all.